Welcome back to the Streamloots YouTube channel where we talk about everything streaming and Streamloots. My name is Preacher, and in today's video, we've got a gift for you. Before we get into what that gift is, just wanted to say thank you again so much to each of you who are watching our videos and enjoying them. Thanks for all the likes and the comments and the subscriptions to the channel. With all of your support, we've been able to create content that's meaningful for you and many other streamers who are trying to make their way through the streaming industry. We love hearing back from you guys in the comment section, so as always, if you have any suggestions of content you'd like us to cover in the future, please let us know in the comment section below. Alright, you want to know what the gift is? As many of you may know, Streamloots exists to help content creators make a living doing what they love by creating unique and memorable engagements for their viewers and for the streamer. And one of our goals is to make getting involved with Streamloots as easy as possible. One of the ways that we do that is through our Streamloots Originals collections. Now, you may have heard me talk about this in a previous video, but Streamloots Originals are simply collections that are pre-made by our Streamloots team to interact with the games that you're already playing. This means that you don't have to spend any time creating cards for your collection and for your viewers because we've already done the work for you. So, with all of the new content coming out in the gaming industry right now, we wanted to let you know first that we've got 5 new collections that we wanted to highlight in this video for games that you're probably already playing. That being said, game number 1, APEX Legends. Season 7 for Apex just released a few weeks back, and many people are excited about the new map, the new character, and a lot of what the game has to offer now. Our Apex Legends collections is a great addition for your viewers to enjoy the experience of Season 7 in Apex, while also creating some hilarious moments for you and your viewers.
Oh, I gotta reload.
Shell dump long challenges you to play one eye closed for 5 seconds.
Got you. One eye closed. I was so close.
Our Streamloots Originals collection for Apex will take the gameplay for Apex and either make it hilarious or challenging. If a viewer draws and plays the pick up every gun card, the streamer is then required to swap their weapon out literally every time they see a new weapon. Sounds awful. Yes, I know. I mean, can you imagine getting a win in Apex having swapped weapons literally every time you saw one? This will be a challenge for the streamer, but it will be hilarious for your viewers. Now, let's say that your teammates get down in the match and you're just sick and tired of picking them up every single time. Lucky for you, there's a card that will keep you from ever rezzing your teammates during the match. Great for you, not for your teammates. Although, I guess in the end, having less teammates to play Apex is probably not going to help you win. Either way, it's hilarious. Now, maybe your viewers are used to seeing you play the same character every single time you drop in. With the Pick My Character card, the viewer gets the opportunity to see you play a character that you don't always play and see how well you perform. Now, when you have a chatter in your stream that's spamming your chat, telling you what character they want you to play over and over and over again, you can now direct them to your Streamloots where they can support you and massage that need to tell you what character to play every time. Our next Streamloots Originals collection is the League of Legends collection. In the League of Legends collection, there's a combination between cards that will dictate what you do in the game, as well as some pretty trolly cards. In our 100 card League of Legends collection, your viewers can help you control what you can and can't do in the game, such as your gameplay strategy and maybe the champion that you choose. In League of Legends, like every other game, communication is key, and letting your teammates know what you're doing by pinging a location is extremely important. So we thought we would take the magic number of 6 and create a ping 6 times card. This card requires the streamer to ping the map randomly 6 times for the sake of being a harmless troll. If your viewers are used to you playing a certain champion and going a certain build route every single time you play, they can take you from going the ability power build to the attack damage build. Might put you out of your comfort zone, but could be fun to watch. Staying engaged in your match from start to finish is extremely important to winning. But maybe one of your viewers wants you to take a 5-second break. The hands up for 5 seconds card will force you to do that on the spot. And let's say that moment when that card is played and you had to stop playing for 5 seconds and your teammates blame you for the loss that you get, well, now you can blame your viewer for the loss. Honestly, it's a win-win. Or is it a win-lose? I don't really know. Do you win because they supported you with Streamloots even though you lost the game? I don't know. It's funny though. With Shadowlands being released for World of Warcraft on the 23rd of November, we thought this is a perfect time to get a World of Warcraft collection out there for you guys to use. This 98 card Streamloots collection is useful for any faction, level, or gameplay style. All you have to do is pick and choose the ones that you want to add to your collection. Now, in World of Warcraft, you can never have too many pets, at least that's how I like to think of it. So we've added the Capture a Battle Pet card, which forces you to find the nearest critter and, well, capture it. In fact, a fun addition to this card would be for you to name the pet after the viewer that played the card. Now, I think that we could all agree that in another life, we probably all wish that we could be wizards, witches, and warlocks, because, I mean, who wouldn't want to cast spells? And for this reason, we've added a card called the Say Your Spell Every Time You Cast It card. Hadouken! This card would obviously be hilarious when you're in the middle of a dungeon and you're spamming your abilities every 2 seconds. Now, while this collection has a lot of incredibly trolly cards and fun cards to play, there are some that are really great for viewers when they want to get an opportunity to play with you as the streamer. This is why we added the Join My Party card to give your viewers an opportunity to play with you. Another one of my personal favorite cards in this collection is the Whisper card. Again, communication is very important, but what if you have to whisper everything you say to your teammates? Hey John, I'm going to get my mount. Hey John, I'm going to get my mount. Hey, can you guys hear what he's saying? I just wanted you to know I'm gonna go get my mount now. Are you whispering right now? I said I'm going to get my mount. Now, speaking of game updates, Destiny 2 just released new content called Beyond Light. And along with this update, we're releasing a Streamloots Originals collection that fits perfectly with the content.
Right now, so
guess what? You're not allowed to jump.
Says you're not allowed to jump for 30 seconds.
No, I think you're still having too much fun. How about we just make sure we got both of these
The
rolling?
bitter underscore wants you to stop
Oh, no.
for 10 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
The raids in Destiny are one of the biggest draws to Destiny's community. The raids force 6 players to communicate perfectly all the way through the raid to get to the end and win. When one person out of the 6 messes up the raid, it can ruin everything. So, naturally, we added a Ruin the Raid attempt card. This card, when played, will force the streamer to drop what they're doing and do whatever they can to ruin the raid attempt. This card, when played, will force the streamer to ruin the raid Leroy Jenkins style. Other cards in this collection give the viewer an opportunity to handicap the streamer. For example, no supers, no revives, or no exotics. While other cards give the viewer an opportunity to color your sparrow, your ship, or your character. Regardless of the cards that your viewers get in the Destiny 2 Streamloots Originals collection, there's bound to be something that they'll love. Now, we've saved the biggest collection for last, and that is our GTA 5 Streamloots Originals collection. This collection has a whopping 118 cards in it, and it's mainly focused on the role-playing GTA community. The role-playing experience is enjoyable in GTA when the conversations go as most normal conversations would go. That's why we created the Answer Every Question with a Question card to spice things up a little bit. Hey, how's it going today? How is it going today? So, where are you headed? Where are you headed? What are you up to? I don't know. What are you up to? Naturally, this card works great when the people that you're role-playing with have absolutely no idea that somebody just played this Streamloots card. In GTA 5, breaking the law while driving is to be expected. However, with the Follow the Traffic Rules card, the viewer gets to force you to be a law-abiding citizen. And if your viewers get sick of you being a law-abiding citizen, they can force you into a robbery with the Rob Someone card. Following that robbery, they can also force you to confess to the police with the Tell the Truth to the Police card. All of the cards in the GTA 5 collection are incredible for the role-playing experience and allow your viewers to be a part of the roleplay. Now, that's a quick snapshot at our 5 new Streamloots Originals collections, but we encourage you to go through each of the collections, check out the cards to find which ones would work best for your style. One of the greatest things about Streamloots is that it allows you to customize what you do with your content while also giving control to your viewers to create content alongside of you. We hope you enjoy them, and we would love feedback for any cards that you see in the collections or any ideas you have for other cards in those collections. That's it for this video, you guys. We hope that you enjoyed it. We hope that Streamloots continues to help you make a living doing what you love. If you like this video, please let us know by giving us a thumbs up. And please drop into the comments section below and let us know if there's anything you'd like us to cover in the future as it relates to the streaming industry. As always, to stay up to date with all things streaming and Streamloots, make sure to click that subscribe button right now and turn your alerts on so you don't miss out on the future content that we have coming out. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.